This video explains how to start using roll call in Canvas. Now, many of our classes at AIM are their grade is based strictly pass-fail based on attendance, but we really want all those classes, the counseling classes and any other classes that are attendance-based, for for you to continuously and keep that attendance up to date in Canvas continuously. So here's my class, Acoustic Guitar Level 2, Winter Quarter 17-18. My two students, of course. When you're entering this, what you want to do is go to the left-hand column, click on the Attendance tab. This will open up. If your section's cross-listed, you can see all the different sections here. But over here to the right, be sure to set it for the correct date before you enter attendance. Very important. My class is Thursday evening, so I want to set it for January 11th. And I can mark all as present. And when I do that, it will create an assignment over here, roll call, and it becomes part of the grade book. So as you can see, this roll call has now become part of my gradebook. And if your class is attendance-based, that's all you really need in the gradebook is just roll call attendance. And it's very simple. Just each week after your class, go into Canvas in roll call, do attendance, set the right date, go into Sonus and input your attendance into Sonus as well, and you're done. And it's quite easy. But always remember that if your class is attendance-based, you need to be doing attendance in Canvas and roll call and on Sonus as well. Because Sonus is our official attendance roll, and this is more like for keeping track of their grades. And so very important, students need to be able to see this. So I would encourage everybody by the end of this first week to have all of your classes published, your syllabus available within the first module, all your modules built out, import that class course content, and if you're attendance-based, get roll call started and make sure you're keeping track of roll call in Canvas throughout the quarter. Alright, well thanks so much for watching these videos. Try to keep it short and sweet, and let's have a great quarter, and let me know if you have any questions. Reach out to me via email, and I'm always here to help you out.